Okay, French 1. So now that we studied the ER verbs, we're going to go to point 5. And point 5 is y a-t-il. So y a-t-il, and you see it written in bold on lesson 5, page 57. Y a-t-il means there is or there are. So il y a means there is, there are. Y a-t-il is the question. Is there or are there? So again, y a-t-il is the question, and that is translated as is there or are there. If you look in the bold, gray bold rectangle, y a-t-il des arbres sur le campus? Are there books on campus? Okay. Par exemple, y a-t-il des dictionnaires derrière le professeur? Y a-t-il des livres derrière moi? D'accord? Y a-t-il une bouteille d'eau devant l'ordinateur? Y a-t-il un livre sur la table? Y a-t-il un professeur devant la classe? Y a-t-il une chaise, d'accord, à côté de moi? So, y a-t-il, again, is translated, oh, here, let's do that, that's so beautiful. Oh, doesn't want to come out. Voilà. Y a-t-il une tulipe sur la table? Oh, you cannot see it anymore. Dans ma main. Voilà, dans ma main. Y a-t-il une fleur, une tulipe, dans ma main? Donc, il y a means is there or are there, right? So the answer would be oui. Il y a un livre sur la table. Oui. Il y a une bouteille d'eau sur la table. Oui, il y a des dictionnaires derrière le professeur. Oui, il y a une chaise à côté du professeur. So, y a-t-il, and you see it is separated like that, with hyphens, hyphenated. Y a-t-il? And the answer is il y a. Il y a. So can you repeat after me? Y a-t-il? And il y a. So il y a means there is, there are. And y a-t-il, are there or is there? So we'll start with number 5. Point 5, page 57. Y a-t-il un jardin derrière votre maison? Is there a house? Oh, excuse me. Is there a garden behind your house? The answer is oui. Il y a un jardin derrière ma maison. Yes, there is a garden behind my house. Y a-t-il une adresse sur l'enveloppe? Is there an address on the envelope? Oui. Il y a une adresse sur l'enveloppe. Yes, there is an address on the envelope. Y a-t-il des restaurants sur le campus? Are there restaurants on campus? Well, the book was made in UCLA, and for UCLA students at the time, and we have lots of restaurants on campus. Oui, il y a des restaurants sur le campus. Yes, there are restaurants on campus. Maybe after I retire, they'll put a whole bunch of restaurants at LACC. Keep my fingers crossed. Bien. Y a-t-il des autobus dans la ville? Are there buses in the city? Oui, il y a des autobus dans la ville. Yes, there are buses in the city. Y a-t-il 20 étudiants dans la classe de français? Are there 20 students in the French class? Oui, il y a 20 étudiants dans la classe de français. Yes, there are 20 students in the French class. Y a-t-il des cahiers et des livres par terre? Are there books and notebooks on the ground, on the floor? Oui, il y a des cahiers et des livres par terre. Sometimes in your bedroom you'll be invaded by stuff. Y a-t-il des gens devant les cinémas le samedi soir? Are there people in front of movie theaters Saturday night? Oui, il y a des gens devant les cinémas le samedi soir. Yes, there are people in front of the movies Saturday night. So, y a-t-il? Y a-t-il? Is there? Are there? Il y a, there is, or there are. Good? Bien. So, you can do that, and again, so let's go page 58. What was in my cake? Page 58. I would prefer you to say y a-t-il, but you can also say est-ce qu'il y a. The only thing is est-ce qu'il y a is kind of heavy. It's not improper, it's not incorrect, but it's heavy. It's easier and lighter when you speak to say y a-t-il. But est-ce qu'il y a also starts a question. Remember est-ce que in French 1 lesson 6? Okay. So let's keep this in mind, okay? And you can, if you have the time, which I know you have a lot of time on your hands lately. It wasn't your real choice. Like Dr. Fauci always says, it's not for us to decide when we can start living outdoors again. It's for the corona to decide. It will tell us. But you have a lot of time on your hands, so you could do exercise 5A, page 61, if you have the time. Yeah, so we can review it when we meet and get together. So that's an easy lesson. And following this lesson is point 6, which is a continuance of lesson 5. Il y a beaucoup de. So what is the difference between il y a des and il y a beaucoup de? It is never beaucoup de, because even in English you don't say, oh, there are a lot ofs. It's not proper. You say there are a lot of. There are a lot of students in the class. There are a lot of cars in Los Angeles, right? So the difference is that one is a greater quantity. For example, if I say il y a des livres chez moi, mais il y a beaucoup de livres à la bibliothèque. There are books. There are books in my house. But there are more books at the library. And beaucoup. A lot more books. Il y a des voitures à Victorville, if you want. I've never been there. I think lizard and snakes, kind of live there. That's their city. Okay? They're a little tiny city. Going to Las Vegas, on the way to Las Vegas. Il y a des voitures à Victorville. There are some cars there. Mais à Los Angeles, il y a beaucoup de voitures. Il y a beaucoup de voitures à Los Angeles. There are a lot of cars in Los Angeles. cars in Victorville, but really there are a lot of cars in Los Angeles. So beaucoup de, it's a lot of. And I never say a lot ofs. Par exemple, il y a beaucoup d'eau dans la bouteille. Oui? Let me show you something. Il y a beaucoup de fleurs dans le vase. Right? There are a lot of flowers in the vase. Let me put you back down here. Voilà. So you understand the difference between il y a and il y a beaucoup de. Good. So let's read. Bien. So again, now we're on point 6. Okay? Alice a beaucoup de patience. Il y a beaucoup de voitures en ville. So Alice has a lot of patience. There are a lot of cars in the city. J'ai beaucoup de travail. I have a lot of work. Il y a beaucoup de bibliothèques sur le campus. There are a lot of libraries on campus. Jacques est musicien. Il a beaucoup de talent. Jack is a musician. He has a lot of talents. Talent. Nous avons beaucoup d'énergie. We have a lot of energy. J'ai beaucoup de livres dans ma chambre. I have a lot of books in my room. Vous avez beaucoup d'amis à l'université. You have a lot of friends at the university. Mes frères ont beaucoup d'imagination. My brothers have a lot of imagination. Nous avons beaucoup d'arbres dans notre jardin. We have a lot of trees in our garden. Vous avez beaucoup de courage. You have a lot of courage. Vous avez beaucoup de courage. Il y a beaucoup d'autobus à Paris. There are a lot of buses in Paris. So we studied there are, and there is a lot of. So we can use a lot of with a single measure. For example, patience. Okay, you don't say patiences. Talents, you don't say talents. What do you do in English, maybe? Energies, a lot of energies. You say a lot of energy, right? And then on the other column, you see that the nouns are all plural. So, a lot of can be followed by a singular noun or by a plural noun. However, I never say a lot ofs. It's always beaucoup de and not beaucoup de, T-E-S. Okay? Good. That concludes the lesson for French 2, for French 1, lesson 3. Excuse me, I'm an old lady, I get a little mixed up here. And the exercise that I recommend, this is 4, I believe, yes, so sorry. The exercise would be right here, exercise 6, page 61. Okay, so you have what to prepare for Monday and Tuesday, or for just Monday, depending if you're meeting twice a week, or just 4 times a week, or just twice a week. All right, voilà. Merci beaucoup. Bon week-end. Au revoir.